Hello, my birdie friends. Welcome to a video about blue jays. Since I haven't gotten blue jays to my feeder, I went to the community page of the bird feeder camera that I have, and I took some videos of other people's blue jays. Did you know that in winter, nuts make up 67% of a blue jay's diet, with acorns being their favorites? You think acorns are too hard for blue jays, but they crack them by holding them against a branch with one or both feet and hammering with their mandible. They also store some for later or carry the acorns sometimes as much as 2 miles away and dump them in a pile and bury them individually. In this way, blue jays play a crucial role in the ecosystem by helping oak trees grow through their acorn consumption and dispersal. Due to the birds having over a wide area, 11 species of oak trees have become dependent on blue jays for the dispersal of their acorns.